All right, welcome now to SC Custom Designs, where we're at the next level of the project for the super awesome coffee table. A little boring this, but I promised that I was going to go through every step of the process of how to make this super awesome coffee table. So at the moment, what we did was we used our scriber, and I'll put a link in the video as to where you can get this. This is the Veratos, made from Canada, like my Lee Dove D4 dovetail, made in Canada. Great products come out of Canada. And so this is a decent scriber. So we have this one here and another one that just sort of stays there looking good that I hang on my pegboard. And that is this RABONE. All right. So he has a little more functionality than this guy here, but what this does and what this does, it's equal. This one surpasses it. And so really, it's not really doing a video about these scribers so much as to say that if I'm going to have a choice of using the old style here, all right, which is basically this pen that scribes for you. On this side, you have two scribers, so you could, within reason, within this distance here, set those scribers up to mark the lines. Okay, so that's that one. So we're going to go ahead and use this one. And what we're doing, let me see if we can just pull you off the mount for now and show you. So we have essentially scribed and shaded in this area here, which is going to receive the panels. Okay, so they're going to go in right in there. We're going to route that out over here on my bench dog router table. I already have the bit in there, and we won't be doing that in this particular episode, but it's really important to scribe the area with a scriber. All right, and then I was going to say color it in, shade it in. So what we're going to do is just do the last one, okay? So essentially, what is a scriber doing? Well, it's putting exact lines where you need to do a thing. Most of the time, that thing is routing out or getting rid of the cavity, digging out this area here, okay? And so basically, you take your scriber, and this is a round, very hard steel that's in here. You take your scriber and you make several passes. Now note, this is oak. This is really, really hard wood. So you have to take more passes than you normally would. Otherwise, if you were doing, working into poplar or pine, those really soft woods. Okay, but so for oak, and it's tricky because the grain wants to take this and throw it either way like this. So let's go ahead and mount you again. What did I do with my mount? What did I do with my? At any rate, I think I'm not going to just. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to finish the last one. You got the idea. So another thing the scriber is doing is it's helping you to prevent tear outs. So when I stick this into the router bit, because this is such a nice clean line pushed down in there, the material is going to stop really precisely up against that scribe line. That's another reason why you want to scribe in your wood. And if you were chiseling, the same would apply. If you chisel it out, well, first of all, you would have a nice area. See, I can't move that. You can put your chisel in there and go ahead and start chiseling very accurately. So we've got the four legs ready to receive the router bit, okay? And that's going to be the next episode. But I thought I would just stop and to show you this process. All right, very simple. This was a quick episode, 4 minutes, 31 seconds. If I stop talking, it'll be even shorter, right? So thank you for coming into the shop at SC Custom Designs. And take care. God bless. Stay safe in the shop. Shalom v'racha. L'kol ha'chavarim sheli. Shabayim. All right. Take care, all my friends from around the world. Bye-bye. God bless. Thank you, Lord, for a good day.